Roedd yr awel yn dyner yn chwythu o'r tir, a'r môr fel llyn llefrith wedi stormydd mor hir. Roedd gwylanod yn galw a blas gwymon ar geg, a byw hai awn ai pob awydd, a hyn dywydd mor deg. A byw hai awn ai pob awydd, a byw hai awn ai pob awydd.
This is Fishguard Lower Town, a wonderfully picturesque and interesting little town. It used to be a fishing port. It was famed for its herring. In 1779, it was the site of the last ever invasion of Britain. The French invaders saw the fort here behind me and decided instead to land on the headland just to the northwest at Caragwastad. In 1846, a sloop from Barmouth got into trouble in a terrible storm here in the early hours of the morning. Two sisters, Margaret and Martha Llewellyn, ventured out into the mountainous waves with ropes tied around their waist and saved three sailors who had taken refuge in the rigging. They were rewarded with £20 from Queen Victoria and a silver medal from the RNLI. In 1971, the town was used as a set for the filming of Under Milk Wood with Richard Burton.
Mae fy llong i yn eiddgar, mae fy llong i yn eiddgar, mae fy llong i yn eiddgar, rôl dalang o'r cyhyd. Wel, ffarwel